Nice, boys. Just on my way to a Kijijers deal. Goodness gracious. Hopefully this one turns out copacetic. I'm looking at a few second gens because I need a couple parts. Brake pedal, emergency e-brake, parking brake pedal, whatever you want to call it. Unbelievable. You ever heard of such a thing in your life? Need an e-brake pedal. Scrapyard had one, or the junker there the other day, but it had no good at condition, all type of bent bits onto it and stuff, so that's no good. One guy's got one, $700. Says, still got the truck? Messaged me back like 3 days later. Yep. Messaged her back right away. Okay, fucking what's the address and when are you available to fucking have a look at son? Quit. So it's turned out harder than you'd think to find a pedal for a second gen Dodge. But we're going to have a look-see right now, and hopefully we end up with a truck. This one's a little more monies, but it's got some parts onto it. We like parts and different things, so hopefully we can harvest some bits for the sales purposes and use what we need to use. Get my truck on the road. I just got word that the guy next door there is dead. They found him in the bathtub, I guess. I'm assuming it'd be an overdose. Girlfriend nowhere to be found. Man, I don't know. Didn't see eye to eye, but dead, that's real shit. Tried to tell him a few times, man, clean yourself up. Man, what a waste. Man, if you're on some shit, get some fucking help. Oh my goodness. No coming back from dead. London Gurgle Bus.
The destination is on your left.
Like the driveway in Shit Thomas. You just bypassed the AC, did you?
Yeah.
What?
It's cut in half. We wanted to put the toolbox up front.
Huh.
So this tonneau cover is for the full-size one. But
just shortened her up a little bit.
Tailgate open. Perfect. I've never seen a tailgate open that easy. Got the V6 in it.
Well, what's the best you'll do cash money right now? Get rid of your hair.
I'm gonna call him and find out. He said yes.
Sweet. Wooden, is that custom?
Yep.
I remember back in the day I made the purple pisser head for my buddy's old Dodge, first gen. It was a great big purple one we made.
Oh yeah.
Because they're so close to steering wheel, they'd knock it out of gear when he's driving it, eh?
Yeah, my brother-in-law did a lot of work on this fucking thing. This door is hard to close right now.
Oh, that's probably from the accident. Oh, my new one? Well, that's custom, eh? They just like put the switch up in the ashtray. Bunch of cigarette butts into it. Come on. Fucking half a tank of fuel. 193,000 kilometers. I'll take her to the shop and rip her apart. Right on, boys and girl. Right on. Thanks a lot. Smoke cigarettes. Should have given the old son. Oh my goodness, we did her again. Hey, bought another friggin' Dodge. And this is the 98. It's probably not even the right one. Hey, still starving to death. Let's see what kind of horse shit fucking Ricky feeds us today. Oh, parked right in the center of the road. That's great. Buddy, what are you doing? Sleeping, smoking cigarettes?
Oh, I'm fucking smoking.
What the fuck are you doing? I got a truck. We got to pull the brake pedal out of that, put it in this thing. Fucking give me safety. Let's go. Just quit me. Come on, pull the brake up, put the brake in the new fucking safety. Let's go.
Yeah, it's like those guys on YouTube. They're fucking showing you something. Fucking fast motion.
Oh, what are you looking up how to do it?
Oh, it's a whole lot easier.
Whoop. It's a whole lot easier than already knowing, isn't it?
Yeah, well, yeah, now I know. They're all different and they're all fucking... You can start at the front, the back, whatever.
No worries.
Some of them are easier to know if you know the right way to do it. They're only $55 when they have them in stock.
Where?
At the dealer. But they've been discontinued for years.
Yeah, should just swat the shit right out of you. Fucking stab in your pocket and fucking get any purple fellas you have in there out. Oh yeah, the handle and everything's different. The whole fucking thing's different. I just bought a fucking truck for parts for this thing. Not even fucking the right shit at all.
Oh my Christ. Is it worth fixing? You might as well just strip it, stay the night, and fucking take it to force in the morning.
Oh, I gotta have a break. I'm fucking sick and tired of fucking John Luke right now.
You are.
Yep. I'm not even sure what to do now. Fuck, best just go over to Patreons and sign up. $15 gritty gritties so I can buy more shit.
What's going on? Fuck.
Neighbor died. Neighbor died overdosed.
Oh yeah? A lot of drugs up there?
Not anymore, he's fucking dead. Meth and pills.
Oh fuck. That's nuts. Fuck.
Terrible. Wanna do some?
No.
Ah, buddy.
Well, maybe a little bit.
Ah!
Holy fuck, well, let's fix this one, you fucking junkhead. Oh, it's not even a 1 ton. Oh, fuck, you gotta have a 1 ton. See?
Yeah.
Bad truck.
Oh, the lock's punched out of it. That's fucking handy.
There's no sense even taking any parts off this thing. Fix it. Sell it.
Yeah, I'll sell it, but we just swap the emergency brake cable, you know what I mean?
I see your light. What's this thing? Fuck, there ain't no wiring in here. Holy asshole.
Yeah, no power doors, no power fucking locks, nothing in this one. Totally fucking sniff John Luke's dink. Woo! What happened?
Oh, it looks the same.
Let's buy a fucking 98 and try to put the parts in a 97 and then be all pissed out because they don't fit. Because they don't fit. It's because they don't fucking fit. Oh, careful. Holy shit, you need to pipe down. Oh.
You don't fucking know. So, fucking cocksucker. What the fuck?
Fucking thing just pops out of there. Fuck you talking about?
Oh, who said that?
Oh, my GoPro died, buddy.
Pardon?
My GoPro died.
Who?
My GoPro. Here, let's get some tokes off your cigarette.
Oh, let's go wait.
What? What happened?
No. Put that thing away. It's Sunday.
Oh, we don't get days off on YouTube, buddy.
Oh, come on.
What do you mean? Isn't it even the same? Where's the light? Let's get the light.
Oh, I got the lights out. They're closed.
We're talking about closed. Open terrible. That's enough out of yourself. Oh, it's not the same. Wrong one.
It's not the same.
Son of a bitch.
Well, you better go buy another truck.
Yeah. Oh, that's enough out of you.
Light? Got some light? Oh, there we are.
Nope.
Yep. Exactly the same.
Okay, so where's that attach onto? Right there, and right there.
This one. And your switch.
See this right here?
Yeah, that right there.
And this right here, different.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, that's a cable.
Yeah.
All right. That's cable.
So I have to just rig that cable up into there. So this whole thing here, let me see. Oh yeah, it's got the little notch.
Yeah.
Where it doesn't have the right arm.
No, it doesn't. Have to. Cut the tab off of that one and weld it on here.
Ooh.
Cut this fucking tab right off. Weld it. And weld it on. Put a bolt in there, line it up, weld it on.
I wonder if the other piece will just screw right on it.
Oh, it might.
I think this whole piece is different.
Yeah, it's. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck. We'll put a coat hanger on it for now. Oh, we can't do that. Yeah, I guess so. We'll put a coat hanger or something on it for now. As long as it releases it, I don't think it much matters.
Yeah. Just put a T-handle on it. It'll be custom. Hey, custom. Put a coat hanger and a little T-handle on there. It'll be custom as frig. Everybody? Everybody?
Well, you'll figure that out, will you? Hi.
Well, I mean, fine.
Alright, that's it.
That's it. I quit. Oh, okay, so you're gonna get that done for me tomorrow, buddy?
Yeah.
That's awesome. You're the best. You do such good work, John Luke. Hey?
Oh, yeah.
You do such good work.
You call me at 10 o'clock, you make sure I'm working on it.
Oh, fuck. You best expect it.
Hey, you gotta get some lights on here.
Yeah.
You can't change the bulb in there.
Oh, it's fucking Mickey Mouse operation. All the other lights work though?
Oh, this is all got alignment buttons in here. No, all the other lights don't work.
What do you mean? You didn't fix them? You didn't do anything?
Nothing.
Shut up.
Busy.
Buddy?
Busy.
Oh, if I gotta fucking crack you, I'm not gonna be impressed. Watching John Luke's world go by, hey? Sits in his chair and smokes cigarettes while he sleeps.
Guide.
What happened? She dried up there for you?
Oh, the fucking glue all dripped out.
Ooh, that's no good. What's gonna be adhering it? Oh, great. That's that chain tensioner, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll come flying apart inside the engine for you. Won't it, buddy?
I don't know.
Pardon me?
Yeah, I don't know. Fuck. I don't know.
No good?
I don't know. It's not dry.
Oh, goodness gracious. All right, buddy. Well, I'll see what we can do. Hopefully we can make that work. I gotta go, buddy. I'll dump that truck off and bring the trailer back tomorrow and pick the truck up. Safety or what?
No.
What do you mean?
No.
Oh, fuck me. Okay, I'll call you in the morning. Okay, smoke cigarettes. Anyways, boys, we're back with the friggin' with the truck there. Friggin', of course the pedal's different. I mean, the pedal's the same, but the one piece of the pedal's different. Son of a bitch. I should be able to rig her up, maybe, I guess. Possibly, maybe not. I don't know. Whatever's the guts to do to get my truck on the road, that's what we gotta do. But yeah, terrible situation about Fred's grandson there. Friggin', I mean, part of me, it's like, you know, kind of got what he got. You know, you live by the cigarette, you die by the cigarette sort of thing. But at the same time, it's a fucking waste. Gotta be addicted to different things like Dodges and cigarettes, not friggin' tablets and crystals. For fuck's sakes. Yeah, I guess no more free bags of meth and needles and shit in the yard. I mean, we didn't see eye to eye the last, couple weeks or whatever, but dead's a little permanent. But anyways, if you're on dope or you know somebody who's on dope, maybe clean yourself up. Get some help. You know what I mean? Don't end up friggin' on your way to Spanky's for frig's sakes. But anyways, boys, friggin' got a new rig. We'll check it out tomorrow, I guess. We'll finger fudge a couple bitches from early in the week, but there you go, another dick power. I'm doctor. Until tomorrow.
Don't the waters get you?